You must come on time. You must listen carefully. You must follow the rules. You mustn't be late. You mustn't talk during the exam. You mustn't use your phone here. You should ask for help when something is unclear. You should be careful when you use sharp tools. You should be professional in your communication. You should drink more water during the day. You should eat healthy food to feel better. You should exercise to stay strong and active. You should finish your project on time. You should follow the rules to avoid problems. You should go to bed early if you feel tired. You should learn more words every week. You should read more to improve your English. You should rest if you feel tired or sick. You should solve problems, not ignore them. You should stay calm when things go wrong. You should stay positive even on difficult days. You should take a break every 2 hours. You should talk to your manager if you have questions. You shouldn't be late for work. You shouldn't forget your homework. You shouldn't ignore your problems. Should I call the doctor? Should we take a break now? Should we ask the manager? Should I try again? What should I do now? Where should we go after work? When should I call the manager? Who should I ask for help? Where should I keep my documents? When should I take a break? What should I do if I feel tired?